Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate any picture using Google. No apps, no downloads, just your browser. Let's get started. On Windows. First, open your browser and go to google.com. At the search bar, you'll see a camera icon right beside the microphone icon. Click on that. Then click on Upload a file and choose the picture you want to translate. Once your picture loads in the search results, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see the Google Translate logo. Click on it, and Google will open a translation view. At the top left, you'll see the language that's detected in your picture. And at the top right, you can choose the language you want it translated into. After you pick your language, Google will automatically translate the text right on the image, and that's it. Your picture is translated. On mobile, it's just as easy. Go to Google on your phone, tap the camera lens icon, and choose the picture you want. Once the picture loads, tap the Translate logo, and boom, your picture will be instantly translated on your screen. And that's all there is to it. Super quick, super simple. That's how you translate a picture using Google, both on your computer and your phone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.